Hello, welcome to my student support system. In today's class, we will discuss about a procedure of recording TPR, or in other words, we can say TPR procedure. This lecture is in English, and if you want to study in Hindi, just click on I button and you will get link of Hindi lecture, or you can directly visit to my channel, my student support system. So what is TPR? TPR or temperature pulse respiration is a procedure generally we do in the wards, OPDs or even at home during home visit. This is to check the temperature, pulse and respiration. It is also known as vital signs when we also check blood pressure with TPR. So which is very important, or we can say vital for assessment of the client. Preparation of article. What we should prepare, what articles we should use for the procedure. First we will make a TPR tray. So that tray should contain a jar with 3 to 4 thermometers. Which thermometer? Normally we take clinical thermometer, and the jar should contain 1 raised to 40 dilution of antiseptic lotion so that we can disinfect it. Okay, so this is a clinical thermometer and we take in the jar, and this jar should be placed in the kidney tray. This procedure tray. Okay, then we take another jar which should also contain freshly prepared antiseptic lotion in the 1 raised to 4 dilution. Okay, so this is the clinical thermometer. So one jar with 3 to 4 thermometers and one jar with only solution. Okay, this we will use later in the procedure. Then we take a third jar with clean water to rinse the thermometer after use. And then we take cotton swabs in a separate container and a kidney tray to throw the wet swabs. Paper bag, pen, and of course TPR chart. If we are using digital thermometer, then we take digital thermometer with some probe covers. Okay, these probe covers are made up of polythenes and these are disposable. Okay, then we can skip the article number 1 to 5. Okay, we do not need any jars when we are using digital thermometer. Nowadays, a digital thermometer is recommended because mercury is a big environmental hazard. So in some places we are still using clinical thermometer, but if it is better, or we should prefer the digital thermometer. So here you can see this is digital thermometer. There is a screen where the temperature is recorded. This is on off button. This is probe. Okay, as in clinical thermometer we see a bulb, and here this is called a probe, and here you can see this is probe cover. Okay, so up to this level this is probe cover. So up to this level it will go inside the patient's mouth or anywhere we are using, like in axilla also. So these are the ready-made probe covers which are supplied in the market, and we can use one probe cover should be used for one patient, and then we can change the only probe cover. We need not to disinfect this digital thermometer in the lotion. Okay, this we should keep in our mind. For clinical thermometer we use the lotions. Now next step will be the preparation of patient. Up to this level we have prepared articles. Now we will prepare the patient. Explain the procedure to the patient or relatives. Then we should ensure that client have not eaten any very cold or very hot food or fluid 15 minutes prior to the procedure. Then patient should be in comfortable position, preferably lie down, or you can sit also. Then we wash hand before starting the procedure. Take out thermometer from the antiseptic lotion and rinse in the water. Then we clean the bulb of the thermometer in this way from bulb to stem and throw the swab in the kidney tray. Then we check at eye level against the light the mercury level. It should be below 95 degree Fahrenheit. If it is above, then we should shake like this 2 or 3 times, and then we again check. If it is below, then we should use. Okay. We ask the patient to open the mouth and place the bulb of thermometer under the tongue for oral temperature, and ask the client to hold it with the lips, not with the teeth, for 2 minutes. Okay, we should explain that it will be there in for 2 minutes only. And if we are taking auxiliary temperature, then we place the bulb in axilla after cleaning the axilla with the cloth. Okay, inside the axilla we will keep, but here the time will be for 5 minutes. Okay, then so here up to this level we have placed the thermometer for 2 minutes or 5 minutes, whatever it will be. Now just don't wait for 2 minutes only for temperature. Now use this time for pulse and respiration also. How we will do this? Just place your fingers on radial pulse and start counting. If the pulse is irregular, then we will count for full 1 minute, or if it is regular, then we just count for 30 seconds, and then we can multiply with 2. Okay, and after counting the pulse, we will still hold the hand of the client, and without knowing the patient, we just check or count the respirations by watching the fall and rise of the chest. Okay. So again here the same system will be there. If the respirations are regular, then we just count for half a minute, or if it is irregular, then we count for full 1 minute. Okay, and we count the breathing or respiratory rate also. By this time 2 minutes have gone, and then we take out the thermometer from the oral cavity, or after 5 minutes from axilla. At this level, again we take a swab and we clean from stem to bulb, and then throw it in the kidney tray. And against the light at eye level, we read the temperature. Okay. Then place the thermometer in another jar, or we can say second jar, to disinfect the thermometer. And from the first jar, next thermometer will be used for next patient. Okay, after placing it, wash the hands and record the temperature, pulse and respiration in the TPR chart. And if we are using digital thermometer, then we can change some steps. For temperature only, pulse and respiration steps will be same. So how what we can change? First of all, we will switch on the thermometer and wait till it show low in the screen. So here you can see with this picture. So when we will switch on by pressing this button, then this screen will show LOW. Okay, when it will show LOW, it means now we can use it, because it shows that it is below 95 degree Fahrenheit. Then after placing the probe on it, we will place in the oral cavity of the patient or in the axilla. Okay, here we have one advantage, that we need not to wait for the minutes or time, because we will be using the sound method. Okay, so what we will be doing here, we will wait for beep sound. Okay, so if the sound appears, then it means now we can check the temperature. And by the time the sound comes, or we are waiting for the beep sound, we will take the pulse and respiration. Okay, then after beep sound, we again remove the thermometer, discard the probe cover. How? We will hold it with the help of a swab, or with the gloved hand we will remove and discard in the paper bag. We can discard, okay, and swab in the kidney tray. Then we will check the temperature and wash the hand. Again we will record the temperature, pulse and respiration in TPR chart. Explain the result of the procedure to the patient, because patient will be anxious. So tell him what is the temperature, what is the pulse and what is the respiratory rate. Okay, and then after recording, then we will remove all the articles. Means after care of the articles. Articles should be disinfected properly and replaced to their proper place. Thank you students for watching this video. For learning such procedures, you can subscribe the channel, or you can like Facebook page, and for making your notes you can visit Blogger. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram and join Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.